In this video, I am going to show you how to change the Safari browser background on your iPhone. Watch this video till the end and let's begin. The very first step is to open the Safari browser on your iPhone. Now open a new tab. Now once you open a new tab, scroll down to the bottom, you will see an option of edit. Just tap on that edit button. Just make sure that you have enabled the option of background image. Now here you can select the image of your choice. And this is how you change the Safari background on your iPhone. If you want to add any personalized image, just click on edit. If you click on plus icon, this will open the photos present in your iPhone. Select the photo of your choice. And you will see that photo in the background. So this is how you change the background on Safari browser on your iPhone. So that's it about the video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.